How to turn on or off recommend my life to friends. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on this option, which means when you are go live on Likee, they're gonna recommend this to your friends. You can turn on this option so to help your friends go and watch your live, or if you don't want that, you can turn on or off this option. Now go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find setting at the bottom. Now all you need to do is click on privacy and you're gonna find don't recommend my live to my friends. Once you turn on, your live session will not be recommended to your friends, your Facebook friends. Turn on. Once you turn on, that's mean no one gonna know when you are go live. That's mean your friends. So this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.